So guys, we're here with Graham at Henley Bowling Club. Graham, thank you very much for having us.
A pleasure, a pleasure.
What a great night, finally some warm weather, and we're here in East Terrace, home of bowling for the western suburbs, that's for sure. Tell us what's happening behind us.
Well, for a start, it's great to have you here because you're a local sponsor, you're a local business, and the Henley Bowling Club, we offer bowls to pennant bowlers all the way down to social bowls. Tuesday 9 hours, which is a come and try. Open gender is a great way to start, to continue your journey all the way up, or just to come whenever you want to feel like it. And without businesses like yours, our club is privately owned. We don't get anything from government grants or council grants. We would really struggle. So thank you.
Are you welcome?
And it's all about participation and enjoyment.
Yeah, no, well, we're very grateful, very proud to be involved. We've got the team here tonight. So what's the format during the week, Graham? And, you know, obviously you've got from Monday through to the weekend. How does it sort of work?
Okay, Mondays, our greens are closed for maintenance.
Okay.
Tuesdays, we have ladies practice, open gender practice, and Tuesday 9 hours. Wednesday, we have a male pennant competition.
Yeah.
Thursdays is a ladies pennant competition during the day, and in the evening we have 9 hours.
Yes.
Friday we actually have a pairs competition here.
Okay.
Saturday is an open gender pennant competition. Okay. And Sunday, anyone can come down here from 9 hours and practice if they wish. And our club is open for a little volunteer club, is open at least from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. every day. And
of course, like, obviously here we're just walking distance to the beach, obviously wonderful Henley Beach area with beautiful Norfolk pines here. It's a great place to be. How long has the club been here?
It is our 100th year, centenary, formed in 1922.
Wow.
Earlier this year we had our centenary ball. Awesome. So we're 100 years this year, very proud of that.
For those watching, how do they get involved?
They can ring the club. Our phone number is on the sign, or just turn up at 7 p.m. on a Tuesday evening. We will get you a game.
Just get involved.
And we will put you in a team. You're under no pressure to play balls.
Okay, great.
Come and give it a go.
Yeah.
If the weather's terrible, you don't have to turn up. You can
still
turn
have a
up
great time
whenever
anyway.
you want to do it and meet some people.
Yeah, great.
And just all come down with some friends.
Awesome. Graham, thank you very much.
Absolute pleasure.
Thank you. Thanks, guys. Speak soon.